what's up? Happy Thursday. It's a very rainy Thursday, but the show must go on. Today what are we doing?
There's a second story addition here, and so basically we had to tear down the old part of the house so that we can start building the new part.
So we've got an excavator here, and Mike is our excavator guru.
Yep, you got it.
He's the excavator guru. He speaks to the machine. And we got the project manager, Pat. Pat's in charge here, and Phil's helping out. And then we've also got production manager here, just kind of coming to take pictures and check everything else we've got.
That was crazy.
The first part of this project is we have to do demolition, so we have to take down part of the existing structure, and then later on we'll be building a second story addition, which will be really cool. About to start the Westchester Design Build editing computer build, and this is the first and the most satisfying step. It's pulling this plastic off. Oh yeah.
What's going on, guys? We finally got the computer up and running. I actually had to leave that day when Mike and Liam finished it, but
Mike and I are not computer wizards. Ryan has built a computer before, but we felt pretty comfortable, and so we kept trying to figure out a problem. We had a problem that we couldn't figure out, and so eventually Mike and I decided to go to Best Buy to buy a new part. So we went and got the new part. We plugged the new part in, and it started up right away with the lights going and everything, and we let out an ecstatic yell. It's working. So we installed, all our software, and we've got the videos running. We're about to launch a new video series. You can get a sneak peek of here. But yeah, the computer's working. It's making our editing a lot faster, so we can get the videos out to you a lot faster. And I feel a lot more confident. I'm basically an IT genius now.
yeah, you're good to go. All right, guys, thank you all for watching. See you next week.
Happy Friday, and we'll see you next week.